What's your favorite part about riding?
I think training, achieving goals is like my favorite part. When you really train hard and you get what you want, what you really wanted, you know, what you worked for.
How often do you train?
Well, I train 5 days a week in the gym and then 4 in the track.
Do you have any advice for new riders?
Well, for the new riders, I can tell them to be patient and that hard work pays off. So don't give up at the first try. If things don't go well, just keep trying until you get to a good level.
What does it take to become a professional in this sport?
It takes a lot of sacrifice, hard work, a lot of time and patience. Yeah.
All right. What is the next goal you want to reach?
I have short goals and long-term goals.
Okay.
I think my long-term goal is to be top 10 in Lorretta Lynn. And my short-term goal is to get to a weight that I can feel comfortable with on the bike.
Okay, great.
I want to take my mom, my dad.
Sore fans in the stands saying some new comments.
What's it like being the only girl in this sport?
Wow, I'm not the only girl in this sport.
There's not that many though.
I'm the only one representing Colombia here in the States right now.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's a good feeling because I work hard. And beating guys is kind of a goal, you know?
Uh-huh.
So I could, like, I'm gonna beat this one now and they get mad at you. Normally that's what being a girl's mean.
Mm-hmm.
Boys are gonna get mad at you if you pass them most of the time. Really cool.
Okay. How many broken bones have you had?
I had 12 broken bones.
Which one was the worst one?
I think every time I broke a bone, I think it's the worst one. So I you know, I can tell. Every pain is different. When I broke my collarbone, I thought it was really bad. But then I broke my knee, and then it was worse. So it keeps scaling. So I don't know. Everything is You saw it?
I saw
Oh my
it.
god! It's coming from.
It's back. It's back.
Where is it?
It's right. Don't let go of the bike. Is there any message you have for other girls who want to start getting into this sport?
Yeah, don't let you shatter by others' opinions. Believe in what you want and like pursue it.
Yeah.
If you're a girl and you think you can't ride because you're a girl, then you should start thinking that you can, because we are equal as boys, but sport's concerned.
Awesome.
All right.
That sounds good. All right. Thanks, Alicia.
Thank you guys. I love you guys.